Hello and hi everyone. We are from Group 1 and will represent the topic of methods for the removal of color from industrial wastewater. Firstly, our group represent, which is me, Alif, Amma, Aiman, Afif, and lastly, Isaac. So, color is one of the products produced from the industrial activities, which can affect the water sources, which can be polluted such as textile industry, which produce dye color, such as stock dyeing, yarn dyeing, and also piece dyeing. The picture shows the examples of the products produced from the textile industry. So, why actually the color should be removed in the wastewater? This is because color contains toxic chemicals which can cause harm to the human body. There are many ways and methods to remove color in the wastewater. I would like to explain about coagulation and flocculation process, which coagulation is defined as a process that occurs when a coagulant is added to water to destabilize the colloidal suspensions. Whereas flocculation process involves the addition of polymers that clusters the small, destabilized particles together into large-sized particles, so that they can easily be separated from the water. Coagulation is a chemical process that involves neutralization of charge, whereas flocculation is a physical process and does not involve neutralization of charge.
Now I will explain about the first method, which is the chemical method called advanced oxidation process. This method also included phantom oxidation, electrochemical oxidation, ozonation and more. Firstly, AOP's function are to remove organic contamination and dye from textile effluents. It is mainly based in situ hydroxyl radicals OH- to degradable pollutants. Production of very reactive oxygen species will be able to destroy a wide range of organic compounds because it is driven by external energy sources like electric power or ultraviolet radiation. Ozonation is one of the AOPs. This study is based on the infusion of ozone into water. It is also capable in disinfection and degradation of organic and inorganic pollutants. Next, we will go through the advantages and disadvantages of AOPs. The advantages gives evidence that it will remove color, taste and odor. It also remove both organic and inorganic matters, while the disadvantages are relatively high equipment cost, high consumption of energy, and the last one is potential fire hazard.
Now we will discuss about electrochemical method for color removal from industrial wastewater. The types of methods are electrochemical oxidation, electrochemical reduction, electrocoagulation, and so on. In operation, the controls are easy as electrochemical reactors are compact and this can prevent production of unnecessary byproducts. The two main oxidizing agents in this method are hypochlorite ion and hypochlorous acid. The advantages are it is safe and easy for automation and it leads to environmental compatibility, versatility and efficiency. However, it results in high costs and causes expensive electricity bills. Besides that, there will be safety concern due to explosive nature of hydrogen gas release. In future, the variables such as pH, current density, and electrolysis time needs to be considered for better applications. The investment cost is also important for wide applications of electrochemical methods in industry.
Alright, next we proceed with biological method. Ozone has been used successfully for removal of color from textile wastewater streams in plants around the world as well as in other industrial wastewater process. In wastewater treatment, ozone is often used in conjunction with biological treatment system such as activated sludge. Biological method involve aerobic process and anaerobic process and also the combination of aerobic and anaerobic process. Aerobic process is carried out in the presence of oxygen, while an aerobic process does not require any oxygen. For green environment method, it releases CO2 and HO2. The gas release does not bring any harmful towards the environment. Next, we go for the microbes, which have abilities and also disabilities. It absorb, accumulate and degrade the synthetic dyes in wastewater and it's suitable for a variety of dyes. But the disadvantages is need high cost compared with other method because this method need larger land area for the microbial activities to carry out. Lastly, it also less flexibility in design and operation. It requires a longer time for microorganisms to decolorize synthetic dyes in wastewater. Thank you.
As an engineer, we must be cautious when putting related technique into practice to treat wastewater more effectively. Despite the limitation, this method phase the technologies will be studied and explored from time to time to further enhance the effectiveness throughout the process. Last but not least, to protect our beloved environment and ensure the long-term viability of ecosystem and living things, industrial wastewater must have its color removal.